Ipanisa lang ako ni Nicole. Anyway, we're heading now to Padma, which is a resort in Ubud, and here is our driver. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Diwa.
Diwa. So, how many hours from here to Ubud? To Padma?
2 hours.
2 hours. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So we just stopped over to buy some stuff here because we're gonna need it in Ubud. What kind of chips do you want? Pocari sweat or
Pocari.
ano ka ng tubigan to? Okay na yun eh.
You bring a vest?
We have everything in the car, so we don't need it. Can we just take this one later and then we will get it back? Thank you. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to my room, and I'm doing a room tour. Actually, we just had a transfer from Campoeng Villa, which is a 2 hours drive from Campoeng to here. It's very daunting. But back to the room tour. This is actually a mirror which you can touch up yourself before you leave. Come here. And over here is our stuff. This is for Apple, this is mine. It's actually very big. So over here is a vanity. That one is a top, which is very fancy. And over here is a toilet, which is pretty basic. And over here is our king-size bed, which Apple was messing with already. Her stuff. This is our TV. Over here is our dining, which is very good because we're only 2. And over here, there's our porch. And this is the view of Ubud. And actually, at the bottom of this, you can run for 3.5 km, but none of us is going to run because we're lazy as F. So yeah, are you ready? Okay, so we are now going to a dinner which was organized by Padma Resort. This was given to us as a complimentary. So yes, today it's going to be tranquil because we were moving a lot. So today it's going to be tranquil. It's going to be lazy day. So until tomorrow we're going to go to Ubud. So bye.
Hello, mananals! Ah, anak ka din siya. Thank you.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
So we are now going to Ubud from here, and we're gonna shop there. So let's go. So we are now at the museum Puri Lukisan, which is for 100. No. 145 rupiah, 145,000 rupiah. You get to enter here for 2 packs. And we just came here. I was here actually already last year, but I wanted to let my sister see this museum. So we came here and we as our first stop, and we're just having something to drink. So our next destination is going to the monkey forest, which is for 160 rupiah because it's 80 rupiah per person, 80,000 rupiah. So we get to enter now. We just came from Museum Puri Lukisan and we're going to do the monkey forest. So that's our Ubud Monkey Forest, and now we are going to Tigalalang. How's your experience? Ano yung bating
It
mo?
was amazing.
Love it! I love it! Oh my god! Hello you guys! Welcome! We are now at Tibasari. It's in Tigalalang. It's our second spot here in Ubud because we've been to the monkey forest and now we're in Tigalalang. We just take a photo. We just had a very good swing ride. And now we're at the dinner in Tibasari, and it's really nice here. And this is our majestic view. It's really nice. Oh my god. Yan traveling pool. Buwa ko guys ang safe zone. Maitun ka. Pero ang mga manulan mo. Lalo da. Pag mo travel ka, ng kan mo kwarta. Kaya matungin mo kung kayo mag huna-huna na. Luuno ko pagkuhan mo paglabang. Doy lama. Where are you taking us now?
To the market, yeah.
Okay. So what's
So
there?
30 minutes. You just see the market there. Yeah, we don't buy anything from there.
Or introduce
Yeah.
which spice the
spice,
market in Bali,
the traditional market.
Okay.
So this market starts at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, very early. When I'm still asleep, they already here in the morning.
Hello. This guy actually bought this for me.
Yeah, I'm doctor.
Thank you so much.
People.
This is a pako.
Paku.
Ah!
Some language is same, yeah.
The same. The
Sayur.
same like dua.
Dua.
Actually not Tagalog, but Bisaya
Yeah.
is the same, very
Yeah,
much
yeah,
the
yeah.
same in Indonesia. Because
Because
dua,
dua,
lima, what else? Onions?
Onion, bawang.
Bawang.
Yeah.
Bawang.
Be close, yeah.
So we just back from the tour in the market, and I just bought this one because they said that it's really good for me because everyone thinks I'm a Balinese. So I got this for 600 down to 500 No, 450. So, yay! So after the tour in the market, we are here now at the Padma Resort Garden. Actually, grow their own fruits and organically. Hello guys, we're now having a cooking class with this
my name is
chef.
Eko.
Okay, first one is the appetizer is a lumpiang udang gala. The soup is sutu ayam, and the main course is tuna sambal mata, and the dessert is black rice pudding and banana fritters. So
Okay.
we're going through this.
Katumbaw ka lang.
Katumba pa gawa. My God, kan mo po. Kan ayang lemon, yung dili makusot yung kan babayo. Ay, nakubay ko ha.
Sir.
Bitch face.
Easy.
Whoa! We're actually on the starter and then the soup.
Yes.
But we're very full now. And we still have the dessert.
Yes.
We still have the dessert. So.
Dako, yami da. May ko maplong ka biya ko, sayang. Ko ba yung tres ka lang, kaya unod sin eh. Actually, I'm thankful.
But we still have one more. The rice pudding and banana splitters.
Mix together?
The masterpiece of Miss, what's your name again?
Wahyuni.
Miss Wayuni. So this is it, and we cannot wait to eat it now. So we are just going to get to the table.
To give in where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars
We're going to leave soon, around 6 or 7. So what's your favorite part of Bali trip?
The cooking and the swing.
Why the swing?
Mag-English pa ako.
Dili. Sige na. Nasa swing.
Lagpat ang kalag ko. Bili niya to. Adi da ako yung kalag ko adto pa.
And why is the cooking class?
Siyempre, kay lingaw ako. Ang gusto ko isa. Pero kalipas ang chef kaya ang tanong niya buhat.
So, di ka satisfied ng service? Okay, sorry.
Lang 50-50.
Sorry po, sorry. So anyway, Bali trip has been really good for us, and Apple like it, I like it. I still have 3 days more. 3 to 4 days more, and Apple will be leaving soon, so I will miss you. Magtarong kapag eskwela mo.
Aba, siyempre, buntis-buntis.
Ay, buntis-buntis ha. Ay, buntis-buntis po. Bye! Say bye to them.
Bye!